Let's talk about a channel favorite here, Amp. And as you can see, I readjusted this trend line, and I think this fits it better actually. You can see a touch point here. There was almost a touch point here. There was a touch point here in May. There was a touch point here in end of July. And today, guys, look what we are touching. We are touching the trend line, and we're getting a rejection. So unless we break this trend line sitting at about 0.004, let's say 2, I believe this is still going to trend down, because this is just one big massive downtrend for AMP. And like I said, guys, back when it shot up here, I said, I probably was going to take profit, but I didn't, think it would go this low. Actually, I'm kind of surprised. It's really all crypto has gone so low. But yeah, I'm just, I should have taken profit. I could have bought a lot more AMP, of course, but I thought maybe the bottom would be somewhere between 0.007, 0.009. Honestly, somewhere that's as low as I thought it was going to get, because crypto was on the rise. And yeah, guys, crypto is really struggling at the moment, although I do believe it's just going to be a late bloomer this cycle. Everything is just going to bloom later. We just got a little pause right now, and it really sucks, but that's just the way it is, guys. And yeah, AMP needs to break this trend line. After that, you have this resistance here, daily resistance sitting at 0.004735, and then you have a weekly resistance up here at about 0.006, and then you have a daily up here at 0.072. And yeah, guys, I don't want to get too far ahead, but yeah, that's the next resistances. You have 1, 2, 3, like 4 resistances right there to even get back up to 0.007. Now, if we take a look at Bitcoin today, it actually is getting a bullish engulfing candle from yesterday, although it's still below 60,000, and that's not what we really want to see. But 60.2 is the next daily resistance, and then we have a weekly resistance up here at 61.3, and we really need to clear this area above about 62,000. And then we have kind of this zone of resistance. It's I think $700 basically between these two daily resistances here. And yeah, guys, I mean, really, to get bullish on Bitcoin, we're going to have to see probably at least about 65,000. We need to clear this whole area basically, and then to get super bullish, we just really need to clear this trend line. This trend line has, I think, pushed us down the entire time since we've been up here. As you can see, if I zoom out, since we hit 73,000 basically back in March, I mean, this isn't an exact trend line. This tip didn't even really come up here. If I adjust it, okay, let's see. Okay, that looks a little bit better. So tip hits it there. We tried to break through, rejected. I think we almost hit it there. It doesn't, if I zoom in, yeah, it doesn't look like we quite hit it, but it's close enough, guys. Here we tried to break out and almost did it, but got rejected. So since then, you can just see it's just a downtrend, guys. So anyways, that's basically it for Bitcoin. I mean, we really have to break these levels and start moving up soon. Now, economic numbers today were, pretty disastrous for housing starts, I can say. And anyways, the Michigan expectations and inflation numbers and things like that were actually pretty good. So it kind of balanced out here. And yeah, let's take a quick look here at the, CME. I don't know what it is today. I didn't actually look at it, but okay, it's about 72.5% for a quarter point cut. And there's still 27% that believe, that we're going to get a 50 point cut, which, yeah, that's not going to happen, guys. I believe it's just going to be quarter for September, quarter in November, quarter in December. That's it. You know, Powell is going to take it slow. So anyways, guys, that's pretty much all I got for you on AMP and Bitcoin at the moment. You know, Bitcoin is just not doing much. I mean, I keep repeating everything every day about Bitcoin. And yeah, guys, and that's all I got for you about, you know, the Fed rate cuts and what happened today with economic numbers. So if you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and I'll see you guys in the next one.